Hello friends. I know it's been a little bit since I've made a video. I had a viewer ask me if I could do a hair loss shampoo. Well, I had never made one before, so I told that person that I would do some research. And I came across two different recipes, one for normal hair and one for dry hair. And so I will do both of them for you today. Hi, I'm Sherry, and this is Buddy, top dog of Lucky Dog Creations. Now, what are the causes of hair fall? And if you can change any of this, please do so that will help your hair. And the causes of hair fall are poor hair health, excessive use of chemicals, mine's going to be all natural, dandruff, skin infections, illness or underlying medical conditions, and or the use of certain prescriptions, lack of hair care, excessive washing of hair, excessive use of hair products, tools, coloring, etc., poor diet, oily or dry scalp, or under conditioning of scalp. So hopefully some of this will help some of that, and maybe the others you can change. I do want to put a disclaimer in here that this is not guaranteed. This just may help benefit it a little bit. I suggest if you have hair loss to go see your doctor or dermatologist. So the first shampoo that we're going to make is the normal hair loss shampoo. We'll need 1/2 cup liquid Castile soap, 2 tablespoons maple syrup, 5 to 10 drops of carrot seed oil, 10 drops of castor oil. Now, also using the maple syrup, it is recommended that once you open the maple syrup, you put it in the refrigerator. So since we are opening it up and putting it into a shampoo, I suggest that you refrigerate this. So let's get started, shall we? First, you need 1/2 cup of Castile soap, unscented, and this is used for the foaming cleanser, and it is all natural. Next, we'll put in our 2 tablespoons of maple syrup, and maple syrup is soothing and nourishing, and it has antibacterial properties. Next, we'll use the 5 to 10 drops of the carrot seed oil. I'm going to go ahead and use the 10 drops. More the better, right? And that purifies and stimulates scalp, has antifungal properties, it improves circulation and stimulates hair growth. And we'll do 10 drops. And next we'll use 10 drops of the castor oil, and that is used as a carrier oil. Anytime that you use essential oils, you need a carrier oil. And it also nourishes and hydrates. So 10 drops. Then stir it up completely. And then when you get ready to use it, you want to pour it over your wet hair and massage it into the scalp for 2 to 3 minutes before rinsing out thoroughly. And just use this like you would regular shampoo. If you shampoo every day, use this every day. But like I said, since it has the pure maple syrup in it, they say that if you have like Aunt Jemima syrup, the processed syrups, they don't have to be refrigerated. But then it's not pure, so you're not going to get it natural. And then I don't have an 8-ounce bottle, but I do have 2 4-ounce bottles. We'll see how much I can get into this one. And then you just pour that in. And it's also, anytime you use essential oils, either use glass or tinted, so the essential oils do not break down. And I think I'm going to get most of it in. And there is a 4-ounce bottle. I put the rest in a silicone travel bottle. so you can take it on the road with you or whatever. So actually, all in all, this makes about 6 ounces. I didn't have a 6-ounce bottle either. So next we'll go on to the other shampoo. So the next shampoo is Aloe Vera and Almond shampoo for hair growth, and this is for dry or brittle hair. We'll need 1/2 cup liquid Castile soap, 1/2 cup water, and I'm using distilled because I don't want any impurities in it, 1/3 cup of aloe vera gel, and 4 tablespoons of almond oil. And I have a bowl here because this makes more, and so I can't mix it all into a mixing cup. So the first thing, you will add 1/2 cup of the unscented Castile soap, and again, that is a natural foaming cleanser. 1/2 cup of distilled water, and that just adds some volume to it, you know, more liquid. Next, you want to put in your 1/3 cup of aloe vera, and aloe vera helps balance the pH level on your scalp, and that lessens the hair loss. And then the last thing we'll add will be 4 tablespoons of almond oil, and almond oil will moisturize and help soothe irritated scalp. And we'll want to mix that up thoroughly. So I just took an old shampoo bottle, rinsed it out, you know, cleaned it out really well, and that's what I'm going to use this for. And I'm terrible at pouring. And to use this, you just use it like your regular shampoo. This does not have to be refrigerated. You put it in your wet hair and massage it for about 3 minutes, and then rinse it out thoroughly. So here are the finished products for the hair loss shampoo. Again, I'm stating a disclaimer saying that there's no guarantee that this will stop the hair loss. Your best bet is to go to a doctor to find out the cause of it, and double check the list of causes that I stated. Correct those first, and then maybe these will work. I don't know. But it will not hurt you. It will benefit your hair with the vitamins and the other essential ingredients in that. We have the maple carrot shampoo for the normal hair. Keep this refrigerated. And we have the aloe vera almond shampoo for the dry or brittle hair. If you like this video and would like to see more like it, please subscribe, hit the notification bell so you can get notices of my future videos. Thumbs up, thumbs down, comments and suggestions are always welcome. Thank you, and I'll see you next time.